Are you looking for a luxury apartment community in Midlothian, Virginia? Welcome to Abberly CenterPointe by HHHunt. A place like no other, our apartments offer you an exceptional lifestyle in a vibrant community in the Midlothian-Richmond area. Its prime location is just minutes from Powhite Parkway, Midlothian Turnpike, and I-95. As a resident, you will enjoy an array of community amenities. For our pet lovers, we've got a dog park and pet spa. But this is just a start. How about going for a swim in our invigorating swimming pool with built-in social area, perfect for catching up with friends and neighbors? It doesn't end there. Our Sea Lounge is the place to be with shuffleboard, foosball, billiards, classic arcade games, and several 4K smart TVs. Or if you want to flex your muscles, check out the Adrenaline Cardio and Strength Studio with personalized training with fitness on demand. Still want more amenities? We got them! Car care center and car wash stations, demo kitchen, garages, and a technology center. Plenty of planned spaces where you can work and play. What about your home? First, each Abberly CenterPointe building has a courthouse view and an elevator for easy access. There are 14 1- to 3-bedroom, pet-friendly floor plans to choose from, ranging between 684 and 1,347 square feet. Perfect for any lifestyle. Inside, you'll find thoughtful space designs with stunning 9-foot ceilings, expansive windows, large walk-in closets, and a relaxing deck or patio. The island-designed kitchens are fully equipped with wood plank flooring, gorgeous mocha wood cabinets, granite countertops, and sleek black appliances. The owner suites are designed to be a personal oasis, allowing you to relax and recharge. Enjoy a spa-like experience in your ensuite bathroom and oversized garden tub. All homes come complete with an in-unit washer and dryer and offer a state-of-the-art smart home technology package, including keyless entry and smart thermostats. Imagine all of this plus a management team focused on customer service. We're excited to take you on a tour today. We can't wait to meet you. To book your personal tour, please visit AbberlyCenterPointe.com. Abberly CenterPointe is part of HHHunt Apartment Living. For a full list of our communities, please visit HHHuntApartmentLiving.com. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters.